Hello students and welcome back to today's English class. In previous class I had already explained to you the whole story of your first lesson 3 questions, right? So today let us do the exercise and start with working with the text. And remember students, you have to make a proper notebook for this and write all the answers neatly. Alright? And after writing it, don't keep your notebook aside. You have to go through the answers and learn the answers. Alright? So let me read the answers for you. The first answer is the king was advised to go to magicians in order to decide the right time for doing something. In answer to the second question, the hermit's advice would be important. Third answer. In answer to the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet others religious worship. Now come to the fourth answer. The wise men did not win the reward because the king was not satisfied with their answers. Fifth answer. The wounded man fainted and fell on the ground. The king and the hermit removed his clothes. They found a large wound in his stomach. The king washed the wound and covered it with his handkerchief. He redressed the wound. Then the king and the hermit carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. Students, before going ahead, let me tell you that you have to write the question along with the answers, okay? Now let us move on to sixth number. Your sixth number has got two questions and the answer for the first one is the bearded man was the brother of the man whom the king had killed and whose property he had grabbed. He had made up his mind to avenge his brother's death. Second answer. The bearded man had sworn to kill the king. The king washed and dressed his wounds. In this way, the king saved the bearded man's life. This put the bearded man to shame. Therefore, he asked for the king's forgiveness. Seventh answer. The king said that he would send his servants and doctors to look after the wounded or the bearded man. He also promised to return his property. It shows that the king forgave the bearded man. Now, the last answer. Now is the only right time to begin something. He should listen to the person he is with at a particular moment. The most important thing for a person to do is to do good to the person who is with him at a particular time. All of the hermit's answers are apt, same, and appropriate. Hence, the last one is the most meaningful answer. That is, the most important thing for a person to do is to do good to the person with him at a particular time. Now let us do the book work comprehension check. Now here what you have to do is you have to choose correct answer from the box given below and fill in the blanks above. Alright. So first question is many wise men answered the king's questions dash. What will be your answer? Your answer is the third option. But their answers were so worried that the king was not satisfied. Okay? Now, second number. Someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men dash. Your answer is fifth option to help the king act at the right time. Come to the third number. Someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable dash. Your answer is and follow it strictly. The fourth option. Alright? Come to the fourth number. The king requested the hermit dash. Your answer is second option to answer 3 questions. Number 5th. The king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound dash. Your answer is first option. That is, but the bleeding would not stop. Alright? Now let us move on to working with language. Now here you have to match the items in list A with their meanings in list B. Okay. Now, your example has been given, fainted, and the meaning is lost consciousness. The same way you have to do all the rest of it. Okay. The first number, wounded. What is the meaning of wounded? The meaning of wounded is severely injured. Okay. Second one is awoke. The meaning of awoke is got up from sleep. Next, forgive. The answer, what is the meaning of forgive? Pardon. Next is your faithful. The meaning of faithful is loyal. Next word is pity. The meaning of pity is feel sorry for. Next word is your beds. The meaning of beds is small patches of ground for plants. Next word is return. The meaning of return is give back. Okay, now let's move on to the second number. Your question is, each of the following sentences has two blanks. Fill in the blanks with appropriate form of the word given in the brackets. One example has been given for you. Now let us do the number. The dash said that only fresh evidence would make him change his dash. So your first blank will be filled with judge. Okay, and second will be judgment. Now the answers for all your questions have been written already in the book. You please note them down in your books and please go through the answers and learn them well. Alright, so with this we end up today's exercise portion. Thank you.